I don't know if that actually makes out here on camera, but the one down below says preferred parking says not available. Which, if it was available, it's $50 to park up close by the buses. $50 here in Toy Story Lot. Right, it goes the monorail. The 100th wrap monorail. Iridescent, man. So hey, let's head into Disneyland. All right, let's go get scanned in. All right, stick around here for the fireworks. But we're gonna go poking around, head over to Toontown first. Go see what's going on over there. All right, working my way all the way over here to Mickey's new Toontown for the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. And it is down. It's around 7:35 right now, and they said to check back after the fireworks. So fireworks start at like 9:35, so not even sure if it's going to be up and running then. So they got it all roped off now, and yeah, it is down, man. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. All right, it's my first vlog at night, 2023, over here at Disneyland. Right past Alice in Wonderland. Gonna head towards the castle. Just take a look at the water, actually the fountain, it's not waterfall. Fountain in the front, check out the castle, then work my way around. It's my nighttime vlog. Right, the close up of the castle and the fountain. Actually, there's a banner right there in the way of the 100th anniversary of the company plaque. Looks like it's glowing iridescent right up there. Alright, let's go take a walk down Main Street, because you'll get to see all kinds of 100th anniversary merch that is in the windows, and there'll be no glare from the sun, so everything will pop out pretty good. So let's go down Main Street. Everybody's getting socked in for the fireworks, man, but that's like at least an hour and a half from now, maybe 2 hours. Maybe get some of these before I go. My mom loves these. Making them right here. I don't think she's ever seen this because she don't have access to get in here. She needs to get one of those 3-day Southern Cal passes. But yep, there they are making them. All right, here's a sign for Disney 100, but everything's on the other side of the street. Picked the wrong side, man. I'll be heading over to the other side so we can go take a look at some 100th merch. There's one. Like I said, we're gonna go across the street. There's more over there. All right, here's some more over here at the Emporium. See if there's anything different across the street. I think there might be. All right, I guess I gotta go into the store, because this one has tons of 100th merch. Starbucks tumblers. I don't think that's actually 100th. Store decorations. It's a pretty rad little setup right there. Right here's the Loungeflies. Kind of a cool t-shirt right there. Looks like something I'd buy, but it's long sleeves, so yeah, I think I'd pass. Sweatpants. Disney 100 on the side. There's a whole section for the kiddos, man. For all the little kids, 100th anniversary merch.
Alright, then we'll see you in a bit. I know where you're going to be.
Alright, so on Tuesday, that wasn't here. That was just dirt. And, what was that? Platinum Mickey? Yeah, that wasn't there. It was just all dirt. He wasn't there. And straight down to the castle. man, fireworks are almost getting ready to hit.
For over 100 years, Walt Disney Animation Studios has invited audiences to believe in things never thought possible. And so tonight, we once again invite you to wish upon stars, to step into the unknown, and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.
Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all.
Hard to know just where it starts, how we grow from just a spark. It's wondrous. I feel it now, it's you and me, a gentle stream of energy. I know it's wondrous. From dream to wish to very first try, from drumming and falling to learning to fly. So go from great first motion and reaching high. It's so magic how we go high. The journey may leave us scar. Stars can heal and reveal us where you are.
Started to stay together, and that's how it finished.
I believe in you more than anyone or anything. Nothing could ever be broken that we can't fix together. I love you so. See one thing was I can't say I didn't dare. See I'm missing out. I saw me like you know you sound with us. I can't
So, we come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But who is just another turn of the page? And I, for one, think what comes next will be wondrous.
Right, man. Mad Exodus. Time to bail out. If you like that video, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It is totally free. Right, man. I actually took the buses. Don't have to get on a tram and head to the parking truck.
Over there, I always do Toy Story. They come from the other direction, so this is the first one
Let's hop on the bus and get out of Dodge. Little baby bus. Little dinky baby bus.